Hello, Facebook. Hello, everybody. It is Jamie here, and it is Cocktail Time with Jamie at 4. So today is my 198th episode. So we are nearing the 200 mark. I have somebody who keeps track of that for me. And you know, I just realized I forgot, but you can go back and look at my YouTube videos, all 197 until today, 198 episodes of me being live, doing a cocktail almost every day since last March. Obviously, it's not every day. It probably is a half, right? So almost half. Thank you everybody for joining me. I appreciate it. Hello, Ralph. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. I see lots of people joining, so thank you very much. I appreciate that. It's awesome to see so much support and so much love out there. Some of you have been instrumental and supportive so many years and for so long, and it's really nice to have you join me today. So sorry, my voice sounds a little raspy. I'm not sure why. We had a super busy Easter. It was probably one of our busiest Easters ever. When we got here yesterday, or when we started getting ready to open yesterday, we were like, okay, today can go either way. We have 5 reservations. It can either be dead with only 5 reservations, or it could be super busy. And oh my gosh, it did not stop from the time we opened the door at 3 o'clock until the time we started telling tables and not taking any more reservations at 8:30 last night. So it was busy. It was awesome. Thank you everybody very much. Hope you had an awesome Easter. My staff all started coming in and just telling me about their great day and how nice it was out, and they went hiking and they got to do a lot of things. Are ringing. Good, they got it, because that will stop my Facebook Live. So I apologize if the phones start ringing here. People are starting to order. So our $9.99 special this week is a salmon dish. Is our salmon. It is a wild caught salmon. If you're not on our email, I highly recommend you getting on our email list. Marcus sends out very pertinent information. He talks about it on his Facebook Live in the mornings. If you haven't caught him in the morning, he does morning, I do afternoon, and it's kind of cool. He talks more about educational stuff. I talk about drinks and the bar. So he does more food and educational stuff. I do the bar and what I'm familiar with. So $9.99 salmon to go, wild coho salmon, served with a mustard dill sauce. It doesn't come with anything, so you can order sides. We have mushroom risotto. We have pear salad, Caesar salad. We have a roasted potato. We have our brown rice, which I would highly recommend with it. We have sauteed zucchini, sauteed broccoli. So you get to pick and choose what you'd like to go with it. So thank you. I see some new faces. Hello, Dennis. Hello, Jordan. Hello, Elaine. If you are watching me live, if you can put hashtag live. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. I super appreciate all of you being here and watching me today. Remember, our grocery store is still open. You can still buy groceries. You can still send me your list. Maybe we need to do another email that talks about groceries a little bit so that you know that we're still here. This awesome bar has lots of cool things behind it. So we are open. We are open for dinner. We are closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We are open for dinner. We have inside dining, and our garden is open, so you're more than welcome to sit outside in the garden. We have a beer dinner tonight. We do have about 4 seats left. If you are available and want to come, it's $29 a person, 4 beers and a dish. And I believe the dish is a chicken dish tonight, and we'd love to have you. So, and that is it. So let me get rocking and rolling on my Grapefruit Negroni. So I juiced some fresh grapefruit here, and a Negroni is sweet vermouth, gin, and Campari, and we use Zamaro. I love Zamaro. I don't think I made this drink last week. Now that I think about it, I thought maybe I made it, but I don't think I did. So hopefully it's not a remake. I try not to do that, but sometimes that can happen. So I am going to fill my shaker up with ice. Nobody's been joining me. I'm not really sure what's happening. I'm not really sure if people, there we go. I just became live. That took a really long time today. I'm not sure why. But thank you everybody for watching me. I'll kind of repeat back at the end again after I make the Negroni, you know, some of the things that I was talking about, because a lot of people who normally join aren't on today. So I'll hopefully they'll catch up here. So a Negroni has gin. So I'm going to put 1.5 ounces of gin. I am going to put an ounce of sweet vermouth. We have a new sweet vermouth coming too. I'm really excited about that. I'm really excited about this new sweet vermouth that we have coming. It's another step up. You know, we're always looking to step up our stuff. It's another step up from this one. So, and then it has a half an ounce of Zamaro. And I am going to put about an ounce of grapefruit juice in here. This is probably about maybe 4 ounces, so I'm gonna do about half. I'm gonna shake it on up. Thank you everybody for watching. Ralph, we'll miss you tonight. Sorry you can't make it for tonight's beer event either. So tonight and all of this week, our $9.99 specials are wild coho salmon, served with a mustard dill sauce. So call ahead, place your order. We are open for takeout. We are open for dine-in. We do have tables available this evening. I can't wait to taste this. Look at that color. Wow. Wow, wow. This is a big drink. It's a lot of alcohol in there, but I'm excited. And then I would top it off with a little grapefruit, you know, a little peel, or you can put a blood orange. I forgot to grab it. So let's see how this tastes. Ooh. So Marcus and I make fresh grapefruit juice every morning. And so I grabbed this fresh grapefruit juice this morning after we made it. It's been really fun. We just got this new citrus juicer, and we've been making juice for a long time, but now we have this great citrus juicer that just juices the grapefruits and the oranges and the blood oranges and lemons and limes. So, there we go. Lots of people joining now. So cheers everybody. This is a grapefruit Negroni. It has gin, it has sweet vermouth, it has Zamaro, and fresh grapefruit juice. So it's really quite lovely. I would put a grapefruit peel in it too. Delicious. $9.99 special this week is our salmon. And then don't forget, I always forget to talk about the $34.99 awesome deal. 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine to go, $34.99. All of our $9.99 specials are to go only. The $34.99, 2 ribeyes and a bottle of wine for $34.99. Can't beat that. And we're closed Tuesday, Wednesdays. Our grocery store is open. Hope everybody had an awesome Easter. And I will probably be back. Maybe I'll be back tomorrow. Marcus and I have got to get a Wine Time Live done. Maybe we will work on that for tomorrow. And that is it. So I will talk to everybody tomorrow, Wednesday, or Thursday. Hope everyone has an awesome day. My 198th episode. I have one more until my 200th. So that could be Wednesday or Thursday. And super excited to bring that to you. Beer dinner tonight, can't wait. Hello Janet, hello Susan, hello Joel. Thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. And I'm gonna get running because I gotta get the menu done for tonight. And I got lots of things to do. So talk to everybody soon. Have an awesome night. Get out there. It is beautiful out. The sun is shining. It's gorgeous. I'm in a great mood. And that's it. Everybody have an awesome night. Thanks. Bye.